My prayer and sympathy goes out to the families of those who lost their lives during the End SARS protest. It is my humble prayer that the peace of the Lord will reign in Nigeria. This will surely come to an end. Everything that has a beginning has an end. Let us look up to God for his peace. Amen. Hello, kings and queens. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, hello, I am Grace Annabelle. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking to watch this video. I hope by the special grace of God, you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I make my nutritious shrimp seasoning powder at home, or shrimp bouillon at home. So guys, if you want to find out how I make this goodness here, then stay tuned and watch to the end. Do not skip through the videos, because I'll be revealing to you one of my secret ingredients. All right, so kings and queens, come with me to my kitchen and let's do some DIY. Okay, let's talk through the ingredients and get started. So I have here 2 cups of nutritional yeast, 2 cups of shrimp powder, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 2 tablespoons of Italian herbs, 3 tablespoons of dried rosemary, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Into my grinder, I'll add in my dried rosemary, Italian herbs, and the dried thyme and grind this together. So now that I'm done grinding my herbs, I'll transfer this into a bowl and grind my nutritional yeast. This is because the nutritional yeast came in flakes, okay? It is in flakes. There are, I think, 3 types of it. There is one that is the powdered form, there is one that is in granules, and this one is in flakes. Okay, so I want this in a powder form, and so I will pour this into my grinder and grind it into my preferred texture. Okay, as you can see today, I'm making mess. I am filming with one hand and the other hand is also busy doing the job. So guys, bear with me. We will clean up. All right, so I'll cover the grinder and then grind it. Okay, so I'll transfer this into a bigger bowl. That will be the bowl that I'll be doing the mixing in. Okay, so yeah. And that's the first batch. I'm going to grind the second batch. As you can see, my grinder is very small. So I'm scooping in some of the nutritional yeast and then grind it. Okay, I'll pour this into the bowl. Now that we're done grinding, it's time to mix or combine. So into the bowl that has the nutritional flakes, the nutritional yeast flakes, I'll add in my shrimp powder, the garlic powder, and then the grinded herbs. So that's the dried rosemary, dried thyme, and then the Italian herbs. Okay, I will then give this a very good stir or combine this. And voila, we're done. Okay, so next I'll bottle this, or I'll pour this into my spice jar. Before I put anything in my spice jar or in my jar, I make sure I sterilize them. Okay, so here I am sterilizing my spice jar or my spice bottles or my spice container. Okay, so after sterilizing it, I leave it to air dry. At this time, I'm scooping my shrimp seasoning powder or my shrimp bouillon into my spice jar. Okay, so I noticed that the spoon was too big. Even though I'm using tablespoon, it was too big. So I went for a funnel, and yep, the funnel helped. Okay, so I'm done with the first bottle. Next is the let's fill the second bottle. So I changed my mind, and this time I went for a teaspoon, and that also that also made a mess. Oh gosh, I'll just stick with this, the teaspoon, and clean up the mess when I'm done. Okay, let's clean the mess and continue. Okay, filling the third bottle or the third jar, spice jar. Okay, so now that we're done filling our spice jar, let's cover it. Make sure, always make sure that you cover your spice jar or spice containers after using them, okay? It always has to be airtight. All right, so those nutritious shrimp seasoning powder or shrimp bouillon right here is sugar free, it's MSG free, it's salt free, it's all natural, no preservative, no additives, no coloring, no flavoring. It's all natural and so nutritious. All right, so this is the nutritional yeast here. Mine came in a flake, as I said earlier. Mine came in flakes. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about this nutritional yeast here. This is super nutritious and healthy. It is vegan friendly. This is high in B12, it is high in zinc, it is high in folic acid, it is high in fiber, and also high in protein. It is super food. Yes, it is. It is super food. So you can also do your own research on this and you get to know more about nutritional yeast. If you are a vegan, you can sprinkle nutritional yeast on your soups, stews, casseroles, salad, and breakfast cereals to enhance their flavors and also to get all the nutrients and the vitamins that you get from meat. All right. Alright, kings and queens, that's it for today's video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on that red subscribe button and also turn on your post notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Until I come your way with something delicious, something yummy, something finger licking, something mouth watering. Stay safe, stay out of trouble, be true to yourself, and remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned at the worst times and from the worst mistakes. I will see you again in my next one. Bye bye.